हेलो एन्ड नमस्ते एभ्रिवान वेलकम टु लर्निङ इङ्ग्लिस आजको भिडियोमा पनि हामीले 50 क्वेसन एन्ड एन्सरको प्र्याक्टिस गर्नेछौँ जुन तपाईँले आफ्नो घरमा सजिलै प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यस्ता प्रश्न र उत्तरहरू हुन् जुन चाहिँ हामी आफ्नो डेली लाइफमा चाहिँ बोल्ने गर्छौँ तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी प्र्याक्टिस गर्नको लागि यी प्रश्न र उत्तरबाट चाहिँ सुरु गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ ओके सो भिडियोलाई तपाईँ समय हेर्नुहोला मन पर्यो राम्रो लाग्यो भने चाहिँ लाइक गर्नुहोला सेयर गर्नुहोला सुरु गरौँ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड What are you doing now? What are you doing now? तिमी अहिले के गर्दैछौ? What are you doing now? म किताब पढ्दैछु I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Where are they going? Where are they going? उनीहरू कहाँ जाँदैछन्? Where are they going? They are going to the market. उनीहरू बजार जाँदैछन्. They are going to the market. Did you call him yesterday? Did you call him yesterday? के तिमीले हिजो उसलाई फोन गर्यौ? Did you call him yesterday? Yes, I called him yesterday. हो, मैले उसलाई हिजो फोन गरे. Yes, I called him yesterday. Will you join us tomorrow? Will you join us tomorrow? के तिमी भोलि हामीसँग जोडिन्छौ? तिमी हामीसँग सामेल हुनेछौ, जोडिनेछौ भन्नु पर्यो. Will you join us tomorrow? हो, म तिमीसँग, म तपाईसँग सामेल हुनेछु, जोडिनेछु. बोल्नु पर्यो. Yes, I will join you. Yes, I will join you. Who is making tea? Who is making tea? चिया कसले बनाउँदैछ? Who is making tea? आमा चिया बनाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ बोल्नु पर्यो. Mother is making tea. Mother is making tea. What did she say? What did she say? उनले के भनिन्? What did she say? She said nothing. उनले के भनिनन्? She said nothing. Have you eaten breakfast? Have you eaten breakfast? के तिमीले बिहानको खाजा खाएको छौ? Have you eaten breakfast? यदि तपाईले हो मैले खाएको छु बोल्नु पर्यो वा मैले खाइसकेको छु. Yes, I have eaten. Yes, I have eaten. When will you come back? When will you come back? तिमी कहिले फर्कन्छौ? 5 बजे फर्किन्छु. I will come back at 5. I will come back at 5. Who opened the door? Who opened the door? ढोका कसले खोल्यो? Who opened the door? मैले ढोका खोले बोल्नु पर्यो. I opened the door. I opened the door. Can you help me? Can you help me? तिमी मलाई मद्दत गर्न सक्छौ? हो, म सक्छु. म तिमीलाई मद्दत गर्न सक्छु. तपाईले जवाब दिनु पर्यो, रिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो. Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? तिमी हिजो कहाँ थियौ? Where were you yesterday? तपाईले बोल्नु म घरमै थिएँ. I was at home. I was at home. म घरमै थिएँ. तपाईले जति पनि क्वेशन एन्सरहरु प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुहुन्छ नि तपाई आफै एक्लै पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. कसरी? तपाईले कसरी गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ त? तपाईले भन्नुहुन्छ भने क्वेशन गर्नुस् फर्स्टमा अनि एन्सर पनि तपाईले दिनुस्. हैन? सधैँभरि अरु हुन्छ भन्ने हुँदैन. सो तपाईले आफूले प्र्याक्टिस गर्नको लागि फर्स्टमा क्वेशन पनि आफै गर्नुस् अंग्रेजीमा र एन्सर पनि आफै गर्नुस्. त्यसैले तपाईलाई प्र्याक्टिस हुन्छ. हैन? याद हुन्छ. त्यो एन्सर कसरी दिने त्यो पनि तपाईलाई थाहा हुन्छ. ओके? नेक्स्ट छ What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तिमी के खोज्दै छौ? तपाईले के खोजिरहनु भएको छ? What are you looking for? म मेरो कलम खोज्दै छु. I am looking for my pen. I am looking for my pen. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तिमी किन रोइरहेको छौ? मेरो फोन हरायो मतलब मेरो फोन हराएको रिजन के हो त? कारण होइन, किन भनेर कारण सोधिएको छ। तपाईँले चाहिँ किनभने म दुखी छु बिकज आइ एम स्याड भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ त। बिकज आई लस्ट माई फोन, मेरो फोन हरायो होइन, त्यस कारणले गर्दा म दुखी छु भनिन्छ नि। सो आई लस्ट माई फोन, त्यही भएर मेरो फोन हराएको छ, म रोइरहेको छु, त्यही भएर द्याट्स वाइ आई एम क्राइङ। आई लस्ट माई फोन, द्याट्स वाइ आई एम क्राइङ। होइन, मेरो फोन हरायो त्यसैले म रोइरहेको छु। हाउ मेनी बुक्स डु यु ह्याभ? हाउ मेनी बुक्स डु यु ह्याभ? तिमीसँग कति किताब छन्? मसँग 5वटा किताब छन्। आई हेभ 5 बुक्स। आई हेभ 5 बुक्स। के तिमीले गृह कार्य सकेको छौ? Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your homework? Not yet. अहिलेसम्म छैन। तपाईँले मैले अझैसम्म गृह कार्य सकाएको छैन भन्नुपर्छ। Not yet. सिम्पल जवाब होइन। Not yet. अहिलेसम्म छैन। कुनै पनि काम तपाईँले जुन गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ, जुन सकाउनु भएको छैन भने चाहिँ not yet भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ। Did you see the movie? Did you see the movie? के तिमीले फिल्म देख्यौ? Did you see the movie? Yes, I saw it. हो, मैले देखेँ। Yes, I saw it. Where will we meet? Where will we meet? हामी कहाँ भेट्ने? Where will we meet? हामी पार्कमा भेट्नेछौँ। We will meet at the park. We will meet at the park. Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? ढोका कसले ढकढकाइरहेको छ? Who is knocking at the door? मेरो साथी हो, मेरो साथीले हो भन्नु पर्यो। It's my friend. It's my friend. Are they playing outside? Are they playing outside? के उनीहरू बाहिर खेल्दैछन्? तपाईले हो, उनीहरू खेल्दैछन् बोल्नु। Yes, they are playing. Yes, they are playing. What can you see? What can you see? तपाईँ के देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ? What can you see? म पहाडहरू देख्न सक्छु। I can see the mountains. I can see the mountains. Did you clean the room? Did you clean the room? के तिमीले कोठा सफा गर्यौ? मैले गरेँ। Yes, I cleaned it. Yes, I cleaned it. Where did you put my bag? Where did you put my bag? मेरो झोला कहाँ राख्यौ? Where did you put my bag? मैले टेबलमा राखेँ। I put it on the table. I put it on the table. When did you meet her? When did you meet her? तिमीले उनलाई कहिले भेट्यौ? When did you meet her? मैले गत हप्ता भेटेँ। I met her last week. I met her last week. Who told you this? Who told you this? यो कुरा कसले भन्यो? हैन, तिमीलाई कसले भन्यो यो कुरा? Who told you this? मेरो दाइले भन्यो। My brother told me. मेरी दिदीले भनिन्। My sister told me. हैन? Next question हेरौँ। Are you ready now? Are you ready now? के तिमी अहिले तयार छौ भन्नु पर्यो। Are you ready now? Yes, I'm ready. म तयार छु। I'm ready. Let's go. अब जाऊ। How are they feelings? How are they feeling? तिनीहरू कस्तो महसुस गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरू, हैन? उनीहरू खुसी महसुस गर्दैछन्। They are feeling happy. They are feeling happy. Will you stay here tonight? Will you stay here tonight? के तिमी आज राति यहाँ बस्छौ? Will you stay here tonight? होइन, म बस्दिनँ बोल्नु। No, I won't. No, I won't. Did he buy the shirt? Did he buy the shirt? के उसले कमिज किन्यो? Yes, he bought it. हो, उसले किन्यो। Yes, he bought it. Where can I sit? Where can I sit? म कहाँ बस्न सक्छु? Where can I sit? तिमी यहाँ बस्न सक्छौ. You can sit here. You can sit here. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? तपाईँ के को लागि पर्खिरहनु भएको छ? हैन के को लागि त भनेर सोध्नु पर्यो. What are you waiting for? म बसको पर्खाइमा छु. मलाई बसको लागि चाहिँ पर्खिरहेको छु. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. Do you like tea or coffee? Do you like tea or coffee? तपाईले कसैलाई तपाईलाई चिया मन पर्छ कि कफी भन्न सोध्नु पर्यो. Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea. मलाई चिया मन पर्छ. I like tea. Are you listening to me? कि तिमी मलाई सुन्दैछौ? तपाईले केही कुरा गरिरहनु भएको छ. उसको ध्यान चाहिँ अरूतिरै छ. तपाईले के तिमी मलाई सुनिरहेको त छौ नि सोध्नु पर्यो. Are you listening to me? हैन? म सुन्दैछु भन्नु पर्यो. Yes, I am listening. ल yes, I am listening to you. म तिमीलाई सुन्दैछु. म तिमीलाई सुनिरहेकी छु भन्नु पर्यो. Yes, I am listening. अथवा I am listening to you. Where do you work? Where do you work? तिमी कहाँ काम गर्छौ? Where do you work? I work in an office. म अफिसमा काम गर्छु. I work in an office. म अफिसमा काम गर्छु. Did you close the window? Did you close the window? के तिमीले झ्याल बन्द गर्यौ? Yes, I closed it. हो मैले बन्द गरे. Yes, I closed it. What are they talking about? What are they talking about? उनीहरू के कुरा गर्दैछन्? They are talking about the match. उनीहरू खेलको बारेमा कुरा गर्दैछन्. They are talking about the match. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? तिम्रो सबैभन्दा मिल्ने साथी को हो? Who is your best friend? मेरो मिल्ने साथी रमेश हो. My best friend is Ramesh. My best friend is Ramesh. When will it rain? पानी कहिले पर्छ? When will it rain? चाँडै पर्छ. चाँडै पर्नेछ. It will rain soon. It will rain soon. Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? के तिमी हाम्रो साथ आउँदैछौ? के तिमी हामीसँग आउँदैछौ? हाम्रो साथ आउँदैछौ? Are you coming with us? Yes, I'm coming. म आउँदैछु. Yes, I'm coming. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? तिमी के खान चाहन्छौ? What do you want to eat? I want to eat rice. I want to eat rice. म भात खान चाहन्छु. Have you met my parents? Have you met my parents? के तिमीले मेरो बुवा आमालाई भेटेको छौ? तपाईले यदि मैले भेटेको छु उहाँहरूलाई भन्नु पर्यो. Yes, I have met them. Yes, I have met them. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? तिमीसँग कति पैसा छ? मसँग 1000 रुपैयाँ छ. I have 1000 rupees. I have 1000 rupees. Did you like the gift? Did you like the gift? के तिमीलाई उपहार मन पर्यो? Did you like the gift? Yes, I liked it. Yes, I liked it. हो मलाई मन पर्यो. Where is my phone? मेरो फोन कहाँ छ? Where is my phone? ओछ्यानमा छ अथवा खाटमा छ. It is on the bed. It is on the bed. Who is cooking food? Who is cooking food? खाना कसले पकाउँदैछ? मेरो दिदीले पकाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भन्नु पर्यो. वा मेरो दिदीले पकाउँदै छिन्. My sister is cooking food. My sister is cooking food. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? तिमीले आज के सिक्यौ? What did you learn today? मैले नयाँ शब्दहरू सिके. I learned new words. I learned new words. When are we leaving? हामी कहिले निस्कदैछौ वा हामी कहिले जाँदैछौ भन्नु पर्यो. When are we leaving? We are leaving in the evening. हामी साँझ निस्किदैछौ. We are leaving in the evening. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? तिमी कार चलाउन सक्छौ? Can you drive a car? हो म कार चलाउन सक्छु. Yes, I can drive a car. Did you forget my name? Did you forget my name? के तिमीले मेरो नाम बिर्सियो? Did you forget my name? होइन, बिर्सेको छैन मैले भन्नुभयो. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. How was your day? How was your day? तिम्रो दिन कस्तो रह्यो? How was your day? It was good. राम्रो रह्यो वा राम्रो भयो, राम्रो थियो, तपाईले जे बोल्नुहुन्छ. It was good. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? तिमी के बारेमा सोच्दैछौ? तिमी के बारेमा सोच्दैछौ? म मेरो भविष्यको बारेमा सोच्दैछु. I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. Okay? That's all for today. तपाईलाई यो भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो? मन पर्यो, राम्रो लाग्यो भने प्लिज भिडियो लाइक गर्नुहोला, शेयर पनि गर्नुहोला, कमेन्ट गर्नुहोला र सब्स्क्राइब नगर्नु भएको साथीहरूले सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्नुहोला. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.